Hello all, this is Tejal Solanki again, and going to show you the what I had made yesterday, and I had shared the rava cake on my wall and our page. And yes, I got many requests to share the recipe. So this is a simple, but it is very delicious. And I am not using any baking powder or baking soda in it. So simply I'm going to use my sourdough starter. You can see that you can use a fresh discard as well, no worries. And it's quite nice smell and yeasty smell and the sweet smell, so it is okay to go. And the basic ingredients what I am using is the suji, or we call it as the semolina, the rava. Okay, so it is almost 1 cup. Then I'm going to take, you can say, half cup, or some similar to between half to 3/4 cup. I will use the curd. Curd should not be very sour, but it has to be a non-sour taste. Definitely I'm going to use the milk as well, as per the need, what I'm going to get the texture, and according that I will add the milk. I'm going to use, this is my A2 cow ghee from Shop for Change I Do source. It is one of the best quality. Okay, so I do use this ghee, but you can use any pure ghee, or even you can use the butter as well. It's your choice. I may add this 3 to 4 tablespoons. So that is ghee. And I'm using here, this is my Khand Sari. You can see this Khand Sari. Again, it's a better version to use if you are using the sugar, because it has all the natural nutrients in it, and the sugar had not gone through any chemical treatment. Okay, so it is okay to use. Either you can use your date paste, or you can use the maple syrup, or the date syrup, or coconut sugar, or palm sugar. Whatever you want to, you can use that. This is, again, it will go as per the sweetener, the taste what you like. We like very mild sweet taste, so I may add approx you can say half cup or something like that. So let's start. And this is the, I will use the vanilla essence. This is a vanilla extract actually, and it is a very good quality. It's a pure extract I do use. I don't use any artificial essence or okay, so this I'm going to use. So let's start. And yes, we need you can say the beater, the electric beater, or you can use a whisker as well, whatever you have at home, but I prefer to use the beater, so I am using the beater. Okay, so let's start. First I will take the ghee, that can be it's a normal room temperature ghee, and I will take 3 to 4 tablespoons. Okay. And to this I am going to add the sugar, half cup. It depends, sugar you can adjust according to your taste, so you can add later also, no worries. But okay, so this is my sugar, and I'm going to cream it first. So it gets mixed nicely. Keeping the speed on 1 or 2, that's okay. just till you feel the sugar had been dissolved nicely and you get that creamy texture, and you can stop. Okay, so this part we have done. Now we are going to add the rava. It is, as I've said, it is 1 cup. Okay, mix it nicely. Now going to add the curd. Curd again you can say, like, you know, 1/2 cup you can take. So let me mix it nicely. And we will add some milk in it, because you know what happens, when you add the semolina or suji, it, you know, swells up, so it absorbs the liquid whatever you have added. We don't want the batter to be too thick or too thin, so I'm just going to add some milk, and it was a cow's milk, A2 milk, and so even that will help to get a soft texture. Okay, so to this, I think so we need some more milk, so I'll just bring the milk. So adding some more milk, you know, and okay, so we are done with this, and now I'm going to add the vanilla extract. And lastly, now I am going to add the starter to it. So my starter would be, you can say, see this, okay, so it could be 1 teaspoon. Depends on your weather. If you have a cold climate, then you can add some more, otherwise it's okay. You know, ferment, it may take 6 to 7 hours. So once I'll mix this and I will allow it to get fermented. Okay, so we have mixed all the ingredients, and just we will keep this for the fermentation, and once after say 6 or 7 hours I will check the fermentation. Okay, I have just greased with the butter or ghee or oil, whatever you wish you can apply, and I have lined up with the parchment paper as well. You can see that, and you know, so it makes easy to okay, so now you can see it has absorbed the liquid from the batter nicely. And here I'm just mixing, it's a fresh pulp of tangerine, so that's, I'm just mixing it to get a nice flavor. And I'm just mixing it, okay? And I will just pour this, okay, in the tin. You can just do line up with some tutti frutti. I have the blackberries, I have the walnuts, and the blueberries, the walnut I have, and few almonds. So whatever you have, you can just okay. And so it looks nice, when you unmold the cake. So that time this side you can keep up, upside, and it looks nice. So you can just add, I do have the manukas also, so whatever you have, you just try to put it, okay? Almost my oven is ready to bake it, so I'm just pouring the batter. Try to fill up at 3/4 of your tin, so it won't show much of the rice, but yes, it will be quite spongy and nice. And now just level it. Just tap it lightly, so whatever the air inside, and it gets settled, okay? And just again sprinkle some nice toppings. So whatever side you want to keep as the front side, you can do that, okay? So it is full of, and so this is done, and I'm just keeping it for the baking. So we are just going to start, going to set at 180 degree, and we will keep for say, preheating 10 minutes, and then once the cake will go in for 30 minutes, it will be at 180, and another 15 to 20 minutes, or maybe it may take another 30 minutes also. So that temperature may vary between 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. Depends on oven to oven how it is throwing the heat, and accordingly that you can go, you can just your oven better. So between 180 or up to 200, you can bake it between 30 minutes to 50 minutes. So keep an eye at the end once it is done. The cake is almost ready, and I'm allowing inside the oven itself and let it get some cooled nicely, and then I will unmold it. And guys, you can see that beautiful rava cake, spongy. It's quite hot, but you can see how colorful it is.